Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. Here's your latest integral of the day, and I had a request come in on TikTok to do a trig integral. So I decided to pick one out that's actually on the practice exam for my Calculus 2 class that I haven't done yet either on YouTube. That way I could kill two birds with one stone. So we have an indefinite integral of tangent 4x raised to the 5th power dx. Now, this is one of the nastiest scenarios because we don't have any secants here. Tangent's not to an even power. So we're going to break it up. That way we can get some secants up in this place, okay? And we're going to need to use sub. So right away I go, ooh, I want some secants. That means I'm going to need to replace a tan squared with an appropriate identity. Let me get a tan squared going. So I'm going to rewrite this as tan cubed 4x times tan squared 4x dx. I don't know where it's going yet, okay? I just know this is my key to success. This is my key to getting anywhere. Do you remember your Pythagorean identities? Hopefully. If you forgot, have no fear. We all should remember sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. If you can't remember that, you've got bigger problems. Then I need the identity that involves tangent. So I divide everybody by cosine squared theta. Okay, and then you should be in business. So this is going to be tan squared theta plus 1 equals, and here's secant squared theta. So then I know I can replace tan squared 4x with, rearrange this, secant squared 4x minus 1 dx. And then you still have this tan cubed 4x, boom. Okay? All right, are we happy? I mean, that's a loaded question, but let's see, are we happy with this problem? So from here, I want to distribute, and I'm going to have integral tan cubed 4x secant squared 4x dx. I'm separating it. Oh, I sure am. Integral tan cubed 4x dx. All right, are we ready to roll? Pretty much here, I want you to notice all you need to do is a u sub. You're going to let u be tangent 4x, not tangent cubed. That would make du very nasty. Try it if you don't believe me. Then du would be secant squared 4x times 4 dx. Don't forget the chain rule. So 1/4 du is secant squared 4x dx. And do you see that works out beautifully? Here's secant squared 4x dx. Voila. Okay, I'm actually not going to keep going just yet, because I want to look at what's going on over here. I have tan cubed. I can't use sub because I have no secant squared and I don't know the antiderivative of tangent cubed. So you're basically going to repeat the process we did earlier. We had tan to the 5th. I took off a tan squared, replaced it. I have tan cubed. I'm going to take off a tan squared and replace it. Okay, so let's do that sort of underneath here. Think of this as tangent 4x times tan squared 4x, right? Very good. And then I'm going to rewrite everybody. So we've got tan cubed 4x secant squared 4x dx minus, this is going to come down, tan 4x, I'm keeping that. But tangent squared 4x, I'm going to replace again with secant squared 4x minus 1 dx. And then we'll go ahead, distribute, and I'll have 3 little integrals right here. So we've got tangent cubed 4x secant squared 4x dx minus integral of tangent 4x secant squared 4x dx plus integral tangent 4x dx. And I wanted it written this way because this u sub, I'm going to use for both integrals here and here. So let me highlight that. this u sub will apply to integral 1 and integral 2, okay? Not for integral 3. So let's see how this is going to work out. Here we have 1/4, u is tan 4x, so this is going to be u cubed du, minus another 1/4 integral, I just have u to the first here, du, plus, and then we have integral tan 4x dx. Okay, very nice. Let's see. We've got here 1/4 times antiderivative of u cubed is 1/4 u to the 4th. I'm just going to put a big plus c at the end here, okay? Minus 1/4 times 1/2 u squared plus, do you remember antiderivative of tan 4x dx? If it's just tangent x, then you have ln absolute value secant. I'm going to keep the argument the same, and I don't need to do another u sub. It's just a constant, so I'm dividing by the constant. And I'll scoot this over. And then let's go back, replace u with tangent to the 4th x, and we're done. 1/16 tangent to the 4th 4x minus 1/8 tan squared 4x plus 1/4 ln absolute value secant 4x plus c. And that's it, guys. I can't remember. Did I put it on the exam? I wrote it this morning. I don't know. If you're in my class, stay on your toes. There's definitely some trig integrals on there next week. So I hope you enjoyed this integral of the day. It was a little spicy. Definitely could have broken it down and done it in like 1, 2, 3, but because we used the same u sub for these two integrals, I didn't really want to split them up so like aggressively like I've done in previous problems. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below if there's a particular kind of integral you'd like to see next from Calc 2. And I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. I got a request to put a graphing playlist together, so I'm going to work on that. That's my next big project, besides work. All right, love you all. Catch me on Instagram and TikTok, Math TV with Professor V, and I'll be back soon.